Good day, everyone. I am your teacher in the subject of TLE. I am Mr. General Rocky, or you can call me Mr. Rocky in short. Before we discuss the topic, let's pray first.
Dear Father in heaven, we come humbly into your presence, and we lift our hearts and our lives up to you. Thank you for all the countless blessings that you've given us, Lord. Lord, please forgive our human frailties, our insecurities, and our doubts.
Today, our discussion for this day is all about tools and materials in carpentry. So, everyone, what is carpentry?
Carpentry is a trade of art in assembling structural work, sir.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Paul. What else is the meaning of carpentry? Anyone?
Sir, it is a activity in making or repairing a things using woods or steels.
Okay, thank you, Miss Angel. Let's move on and let's identify or what are the importance of tools and materials in carpentry and using it appropriately. Before that, you are expected to identify tools and materials through a writing test.
Okay, sir.
Tools are devices or implements, especially one held in the hand, used to carry out a particular function. Materials are the matter from which a thing or can be made. Okay, give me an example of tools in carpentry.
Nails, sir.
What else?
Hammer, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, I will show the different tools and materials in carpentry. First is lumber, nails, cement, sand, plywood, gravel, pole-push roll, claw hammer, cross-cut saw, rape saw, plumb bob, tri-square, hacksaw, level bar, bench vise, electric drill, auger bit, crowbar, and screwdriver. Okay, class, write this on your one whole sheet of paper. Describe or give the meaning of the following materials and tools. Match column A and B. Evaluate the tools and materials. Describe and give the meaning of the following tools and materials. That's all for today, and thank you. Goodbye, class.